Welcome. Now, we've talked in the previous modules in detail about the world's top global standard for information security, which is the Information Security Management System, 27001 2013 version, ISMS. And that is the certifiable standard, so you can implement the standard and then with the help of a consultant or with your own organization, then you can ask a certified auditor to come and certify and give you a certificate for 27001. Now, there is a sister document and framework, which is 27002 2013, which is not certifiable. And this, in fact, is a guideline to help us understand 27001. So 27001 tells us what to do. As you saw, it's very brief, to the point, and doesn't give much detail, and doesn't tell you how to do it. It's very generic. And for further detail, we have 27002. So what is 27002? It is called the Information Technology Security Techniques Code of Practice for Information Security Controls, and it was renamed from ISO 17799. So this is the title. It's a Code of Practice and Security Techniques. Now, the first section, background and context, explains for 27002, this international standard is designed for organizations to use as a reference for selecting controls within the process of implementing an information security management system based on ISO 27001. Or it may be used as a guidance document, as a reference or a guidance document for organizations implementing commonly accepted information security controls. In this diagram, you see the overall structure of ISO 27002, not ISO 27001. Now we have ISO 27002. There are also 18, it's structured in exactly the same structure, in the same hierarchy, with the same numbering format, exactly the same control numbering format as 27001. So the good thing is that, for example, take access control. A.9 in 27001 will be numbered control set number 9 in 27002, and 9.1.1 control in 27001 will be numbered 9.1.1 in 27002. So it's very easy, and let's take a look at how we can work with 27001 and 27002 and cross-reference. So let's have a look at control 5.1.2, and let's take a look at both 27001 and 27002 and learn how to use these two frameworks together, these two standards together. So 512 is review of the policies of information security. So this is the actual control from 27001, review of the policies for information security. The policies for information security in green, as you can see in the green section, the policies for information security shall be reviewed at planned intervals or if significant changes occur to ensure their continuing suitability, adequacy, and effectiveness. Now, this is a snapshot from 27002. And as you can see, the control review of the policies for information security is exactly the same. The control title is exactly the same. 512, review of the policies for information security. And the control is also the same. So this is the control. And the policies for information security should be reviewed at planned intervals or if significant changes occur to ensure their continuing suitability, adequacy, and effectiveness. I had just read out in the previous screen this exactly same control, 512, from 27001. So up till now, things are exactly the same. Now, this is the part which is different. 27002 retains the control, as we saw above, but adds a new implementation guidance section, which is in blue, and this is the actual contribution, and it tells you how to conduct or implement this control. And now, 27002 in this slide, I'm going to show you what it actually guides us. 27002 implementation guidance for review of the policies for information security. So 27002 tells us in green, each policy should have an owner who has approved management responsibility for the development, review, and evaluation of the policies. The review should include assessing opportunities for improvement of the organization's policies and approach to managing information security in response to changes to the organizational environment, business circumstances, legal conditions, or the tech environment. So that level of detail is not available in 27001. And in some controls, 27002 is very brief, like we saw for this one that I just read out. But for some of them, it's very detailed. It could go up to 2 or 3 pages of details and guidance and explanation of what that control actually means. How do you implement it? So practically speaking, ISO 27001 controls are brief, generic, to the point, and 27002 clarifies further what is being referred to, gives further context, and very useful implementation guidance. And sometimes what happens is for newcomers who are using 27001, they're not able to fully understand what the control actually means. So when they read 27002, it becomes very clear. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.